Hello, I am Abisha, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Emmanuel Arthur JJ College of Engineering. Today we are discussing about software engineering. Software engineering is more just a program code. A program is an executable code which serves some computational purpose. Software is the collection of computer programs, procedures, rules, and associated documentation and data. Software is an information transformer, producing, managing, modifying, displaying, or transforming information that can simple as a single bit or a complex as a multimedia application. Then, software products. Software products may be developed for a particular customer or may be developed for a general market. Software products may be generic or bespoke. What are the attributes of good software? The good software are maintainability, dependability, efficiency, and usability. What is the difference between software engineering and computer science? Computer science is concerned with theory, fundamentals, algorithms, data structures, complexity theory, and numerical methods. Software engineering is concerned with the practicalities of developing, delivering useful software. It deals with practical problems in complex software products. Computer science theories are currently insufficient to act as a complete underpinning of software engineering, but it is a foundation for practical aspects of software engineering. Then, software engineering paradigms. The software characteristics are software is developed or engineered, it is not manufactured in the classical sense. Software does not wear out. Although the industry is moving towards component based assembly, most software continues to be custom to built. Software application types: system software, real-time software, business software, engineering and scientific software, embedded software, personal computer software, web-based software, artificial intelligence software. Software engineering, a layered technology. Application of a systematic, disciplined, quantified approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software, that is the application of engineering software. The software engineering layers are a quality focus, process, methods, and tools. What are the 5 generic process framework activities? The following generic process framework is applicable to the majority of software projects: communication, planning, modeling, construction, and deployment. Then we have to discuss about process models. Every software engineering or organization should describe a unique set of framework activities for the software processes adopts: waterfall lifecycle model, iterative waterfall lifecycle model, prototyping model, incremental model, spiral model, RAD model, that is rapid application development model. Last one is spiral model. First one is waterfall lifecycle model. It is called classic lifecycle or linear model. Requirements are well defined and stable. It suggests a systematic, sequential approach to software development. It begins with customer specification of requirements and progresses, planning, modeling, construction, and deployment. Waterfall model is a sequential model. It ends with communication, then planning, then modeling, then construction, and last one is deployment. The advantages of waterfall model is easy to understand. Each phase has well-defined input and output. It helps project manager in proper planning of project. It provides templates into which methods of analysis, design, code, and support can be placed. Disadvantages of waterfall model is one-way street. It faces overlapping and interaction. The model does not support delivery of system in pieces. Phases of classical waterfall model is feasibility study, requirement analysis and specification, design, coding and unit testing, integration and system testing, maintenance. Then feasibility study. It involves analysis of the problem and collection of all relevant information relating to the product. The collected data are analyzed. Requirements of the customer, formulations of the different strategies for solving the problem, evaluation of different solution strategies. Then requirements analysis and specification. It is understand the exact requirements of the customer and to document them properly. Requirements gathering and analysis, requirements specification. Then design. The design phase is to transform the requirements specified in the document into a structure that is suitable for implementation in some programming language. Traditional design approach, object oriented design approach. Then coding and unit testing. The purpose of the coding and unit testing phase of software development is to translate the software design into source code. Integration and system testing. Integration of system module is coded into unit tested. Maintenance. Maintenance of a typical software product requires much more than the effort necessary to develop the product itself. Iterative waterfall lifecycle model. The main changes is done by providing feedback points from every phase to its preceding phase. Feasibility study, requirement analysis and specification, design, coding and unit testing, integration and system testing, maintenance. Prototype model. Prototyping model is a software development model in which prototype is built, tested and reworked until an acceptable prototype is achieved. Advantages of prototype model is clarity, risk identification, good environment, take less time to complete. Disadvantages of prototype model is high cost, slow process, too many changes. Next model is RAD model. Rapid Application Development is an incremental software model that has short development cycle. The RAD model is a high speed of the waterfall model. The RAD process enables a development team to create fully functional system within a very short time period. Contents of RAD packages are graphical user development environment, reusable components, code generator, programming languages. Advantages are fast products, efficient documentation, interaction with user. Disadvantages are user may not like fast activities, not suitable for technical risk. Then next model is spiral model. The spiral model is a combination of iterative development process model and sequential linear development model. That is the waterfall model with a very high emphasis on risk analysis. The spiral model has 4 phases: planning, design, construct and evaluation. The advantages are risk identification at early stage, suitable for high risk projects, flexibility for adding functionality. Disadvantages are costly, risk dependent, not suitable for smaller projects, difficult to meet in budget. Last one is win to win spiral model. The customer wins by getting the system satisfying most of their requirements, and developers wins by working on achievable budgets and deadlines. Advantages are lightweight method suits small medium sized project, produces good team, test based approach to requirements and quality assurance. Disadvantages are programming pairs is costly, difficult to scale up to large projects where documentation. Thank you.